Alright, first time to play in Orchard in a long time. Here are their rates. Okay, so if weekdays up to 11 AM 4,000, accompanied guest 3,000, Saturdays and Sundays. Tapos ang minimum ng caddy is 700. Okay, for the golf carts, if you're a member now, it's 700. If you're a senior, it's 600. If you're a guest, it's 900. So, featuring a new golf course today, playing Orchard, Palmer. So that's my friend Dave. He's the one hosting. Thank you very much again, Dave, for hosting us. So playing the blue tees. So first hole sa par 4, 413 yards. Oh, straight away lang naman siya. And it's downwind. So for today, and nasa na si Dave. And so, shout out sa aking magiging caddy, si Chris. Ayan. Good morning, Chris. Ayan. And kasama rin namin si Annie. And again, the gracious host, Dave. Okay, so meron pang stimp. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin niya. So well, speed ng green. Ah, so hindi sobrang bilis. And June! Long time no see, brother. How are you? How are you? Nice to see you. 10th is 2v2 with Ryan, di ba bro? Ryan. So company Ryan. Sorry ako. Ryan. 2v2, high-low. So first in the channel. So tingnan natin how it will work. Tapos blue tees. So kampi kami ni Dave, si Ryan at saka si June magkampi. Okay, let's see. Good luck, brother.
Good luck.
Enjoy lang naman to. Breakfast ball tayo?
Oo, pwede.
Good shot.
Bam. Nice drive.
Good shot. Good shot, bro. Okay, hole number 1 of Orchard. Partner. Okay, that was a decent drive. I'm still left with 85 yards to the flag. Caddy ko, sipat na sipat. Oh. Sipat na sipat ang masa. Na-conscious. Left to right. Okay. This is for birdie. Isang cup sa kaliwa ng linya. Pag ganun kasi din yung damo, no? Kung 12 yung tapak ko, plus 1 lang na firm. Left inside na. Firm ano? Okay. Inside. Pasok! That's good.
No ball?
Good pat, Jun. Patutok pa. Good pat, Dave. Bar. Thank you. Right thing. So currently, all square pa rin kami kasi panalo sila sa low, panalo sila sa high. Anong play dito, Chris? 400. Dogleg right. Ang aim natin yung ilaw. Ay, tama ba yung poste sa gitna? Par 5. Naku, scoop. 220. Good out, brother. 225 yards. Good punch out. Unfortunate, my tee shot went to the bunker. So I'm left with 170 yards to the flag. Hitting a 7-iron. Ay, naku, kabig! Meow, 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 meow. Went right. Sayang, very unfortunate. My second shot went to the hazard. Pulled it. Ay, naku, sayang. The wind is also right to left. 42 yards to the flag. Slightly crosswind. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo dyan? Ah, gano'ng kalaki pa yan? Okay. Kung 40, tira mga 30.
Yes, sir.
Hey, baliktad yung spin. I'm putting for my par. Kalahating grip daw sabi ni Chris. -2. Left to right for my par. Bilis. Tama na. Tama na. That's good, Dave.
Tapos ano, pakyat.
Right inside, ano?
Yes, sir.
Uy! Ano ka ba? Bogey rin ako. So tayo. Okay, 1 up kami. 1 up kami, brother?
Okay.
Okay, 1 up. Alright, so hole number 3. Currently, we're a 1 up kami ni Dave. So hole number 3 is a par 4. 559 yards. Luwag. Di ko na naalala tong butas na to. Okay, slightly dog leg right. I think aim for that bunker dun sa middle kung mag-fade yung bola. Ganda. Good shot, brother. Ganda. Good shot, right? Good shot.
Thank you, boss.
Dave with around 100 yards left for his second shot with the wind. Uy, nabahan. Hatak. Okay. Ganda hole. What a drive. That was a 322 yard drive. So, 40 yards to the pin. Left to right. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa, Chris? Isang pin sa kaliwa. Paakyat. One partner. Mabilis. Lagi, dry na dry. Kanan, ano? 9 paces for my birdie. Sa may linya yata. Okay. Isang grip lang. Okay. -1. Regular lang. Doon. Dito parang course eh. Kasi, okay. Yung bagal! That was a very terrible bogey. 3-putt. Mukha kasing mabilis.
Butas ko dito lang.
Pareho tayo na, baby. Nakuha ni June. Oh, so all square tayo. Okay, all square. That was a very terrible bogey. So all square na kami. Sila Ryan got that hole. So, hole number 4, playing 456 yards, dogleg right. Aim for those trees sa gitna ng bunker. Hi ate!
Hello
Shout
po.
out!
Kaliwang bunker.
Kunin nyo. Si
Hindi sir,
Sheila.
kaliwa pa rin.
Ganda! Good shot, attorney. Okay lang, with the wind naman eh. Mahirap yung ganun kataas pag against. Parang kanan yata ng bunker.
Kanan, okay, good.
Good. Okay, David. 240. Par 4?
4, yung par 4.
Laba. Dito sa orchard. Ano mas mahirap, Ani? Palmer or player?
Palmer.
Ah, mas mahirap pa to? Kasi mas maiksi si player.
Pero
Mas maiksi?
wala pa siya.
Okay. Very long par 4. That was already a 300-yard drive pero left with 166. Hitting an 8 iron. Dave with his third shot. He's left with 111 yards. 4! Landed right off the green. Isang putter sa kanan. Pababa, ano? Mabilis. Okay. Ano ko ba, Luigi? Na behind? Look up. What a terrible chip. Looks like right to left. Downhill, 7 paces. To go up and down for my par. Halos isang grip. -1.
Yes po.
-1 ano?
Yes po.
Uy. Okay na yan. That's good, brother. Okay. Ano ka, Attorney June? So sa amin, 1 up kami. Bogey, ano ka ba? 7. 7. Triple siya. Ako, bogey. So kuha namin. Okay, 1 up ulit. Nice one, partner. Hit par 5. We're currently 1 up. 180. Ang sais ko. Baka pwedeng sais at saka 5. Padala lang na sa 5. Playing 180 yards. Pero grabbing against the fan. So I might hit a 5 iron. Kasi slightly uphill din siya. Parang kulang na lang, magiging threesome tayo mamaya. Bilis na Attorney June. Ganda, sakto yan, nag-fade, nag-cut. Naku, sumobra lang.
Over?
Oo. Number 5. Ganda. Ano lakas lang ng hangin. Thank you, Attorney. 21 yards, landed right off the green. Oh, sakto lang pala yung pamalo.
Dito kasi.
Hitting a 60 degree. Ilan ulit baril ko? 20 yards. Right to left. No? Malakas, bite! Ay, dun kumagat mo sa... Ano ka, Attorney? Pating bird? Ah, pating par din. Good out, Dave. Ryan for par. Mabilis! Tara! Mahina! Okay, kita na mabagal. +1 na firm. Left edge.
Ano ka ba? For par?
Sige na, kunin ko na. Okay, attorney June for par. Good par. Okay, kailangan ko ma-shoot. Okay, terrible. Another bogey. Okay, this is handicap 1, hole number 6. We are all square na ngayon. So par 5, 470 yards. Kita. Saan ang aim natin dyan?
Yung ano, control box.
Kanan ng control box. Okay.
Go! Safe.
Kaliwa, no?
Guys, sakay ka daw.
Sarap ng lupa. This is hole number 5. Hole number 6. Handicap 1. Par 5. Ganda ng golf course. Nice. Left with 200 yards to the flag. Tama ba 200? Subukan natin ng 4 nga. Before iron, I will try to go for it. For the vlog. Kahit against the wind, bahala na. Kasi parang sobra naman ng hybrid. Oh, malakas ba ha? Hindi, bahala na.
Hangin, plus 30.
Plus 30?
Oo.
Ha? So kulang to.
Kulang eh.
Di hybrid. What a terrible second shot. So I need to take a drop. Going for it with the 4 iron naman yun. Bahala na. Ako, laglag na naman. Trouble na naman yun, ano?
Nice shot.
Right to left, ano? Pating triple?
Kasi sabi mo, isang...
Nice spot. We are 1 up. Went for the hero shots. I donated 2 balls. So that was a triple bogey. So at least sa team namin, i-take kami dalawa first na. So playing hole number 7. It's 179 yards. Yes bro. 170 to the flag. Wala pa yung hangin. Okay. Playing 170 yards. 170 plus hangin, ano? Sa is na lang. Ah, hindi. Ano pala pamalo?
Nice!
Patong. Nice shot, brother! Ihulin mo muna! Ihulin mo muna!
Hindi na tayo pumato. Okay lang nasa blue.
Nice shot, brother. Wow! Beauty!
Huwag ka mahulog.
Hindi, safe yan.
Bawal mahulog 1 kasi mga taka sa off office.
Oo nga.
Ma-inquirer call tayo. Actually, okay lang. Kung ganun. Nalaban ko na yun.
Bro, fave.
Nice shot.
Pulled my tee shot, landed left of the green, 30 yards to the flag. So I will try to nip a 60-degree wedge. Thank you. Kaliwa, di ba? Mabilis.
Mabilis.
Hindi ganun kalaki yung bala. Kung saan yung bola?
Dun sa may kadi. Yun.
Malaki rin.
Apo. Yes.
Attorney June for par. Okay. That's good, that's good. Double bogey pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Dave, for birdie. Go! Pasok! Bali pa! Birdie! Ay, sayang. Pakimark, Dave. That's good. Nice spot, brother. Kanan, ano? Sipag din magbasa nito ni Chris, ha? Paakyat tayo, ano? So, pwedeng +1. Isang cup. Kulang. Isang bola. Isang bola sa kanan. Napitik. 2 up. Nice par, brother. 2 up tayo. Tama ba, Ray? 2 up na kami? Okay, 2 up. Okay, we are now currently 2 up. So, dormi na sila dito sa front. So, yung pustahan namin, front and back. So, hole number 8, 382 yards. Slightly dogleg left yata. I am left with 142 yards to the flag against the wind, hitting a 9-iron. Ganda, Dave. Patong yan. Good shot, brother. Attorney June. Hindi ko alam kung pating, I think pating par. The one-handed bandit. Pasok! Lokos lang. 9. Isang grip sa kaliwa. +1, -1. -1. Okay. I have this putt. Birdie putt. Left to right. Isang grip bigay ni Chris. -1 with the green. Bilis. Alam, may -2 ko na yun. Ano, isang cup?
Isang bola lang.
Isang bola. Pero firm yun.
Yes, sir.
Ipat na naman. B2B na naman. Ayaw makinig kay Chris. Dinagdagan ko kalahating baboy. Good putt. Ilang attorney?
Double.
Double. Ah, kuha namin.
Kuha nyo. Wala na.
Ano ka ba? 8?
Tapos na.
Kuha namin.
So, yun yung
Okay,
front.
panalo kami sa front.
Okay.
Hole number 9. Playing 394 yards. Dog leg left. Dog leg left ba to? Okay. Dun sa puno, dun sa gitna. Okay. Naku, kanan din. OB. OB. Okay. Nice hole. Okay, for my second shot, I'm left with 147 yards to the flag. Ang lakas ng hangin against the wind. And kakaliwa to ng konti. So it's either hit an 8 iron or a 9 iron. Pero feeling ko sakto na yung 9. No, Chris? No? 11, no? Tripat ulit, ano? Good shot! I have this chip for my birdie. Right to left. 9 paces. Pero I'll Texas wedge it. Gano'n ka kalaki sa kanan ang bigay mo? Makikinig na ako sa'yo, Chris. Promise. Mabilis to, no? Mga -2. Sa labas lang ng kanan ng bilog. Isang grip sa kanan nun. Okay. Okay, right edge. Makikinig na ako, promise. Makinig lang kay Chris. Okay, hole number 10, start of the second 9. It is playing 373 yards. Looks like it's dog leg left. Kailangan draw. Mukha lang malapit. No? Mukha lang malapit yung stick. Salamat. Nice shot. Okay, so for our back 9, mas mabilis ng konti yung greens dito. Okay, sa back 9, start of our high-low ulit. So we want ano, laki ng turn. Okay, start of Navy. Kasi malapit sa work at saka sa bahay. Okay, start of our second 9. Panalo kami ng partner ko. Okay, we won 250. 250 each. Pero, start of the second 9, 250 ulit. Wala lang. We won. Ayan. Ganda na ng golf course. Thanks again, brother, for hosting. Ayan, so, ulitin. Ilang yardage mo? Ate?
170 po.
170.
Pilaging.
Wag. Gulong. Tama na! Okay. Second shot left with 125 yards. Ay, nag-against naman. Hindi, wait. Sa harap ano? Okay. Hitting a 56 degree wedge. Sana umabot. Okay, for birdie. Come on, Luigi. Baba mo naman score mo. Diyan ang bigay mo? 13 paces. Doon sa tinuro mo kanina? Okay. Ano ang bigay natin?
Akala ko malakas yun eh.
Dito yung paakyat kasi. Although medyo kinabahan din ako, akala ko medyo malakas.
Pero malakas, no?
Gitna na, no? Nakuha! That's good, that's good. Uy, sayang. Okay. If ever pang one up, what balik tayo 0-0, di ba? If ever balik one up. Play ano ka?
Par. Doon siya eh. Wow. So, grabe yung psychological dun.
Pasensya ka na, Chris, makikinig naman sa'yo dito sa back 9. Okay, par. Ito ba tayo sa harap? Yung susunod, 11. So tama, attorney, one up kami. Par, oo. Double par, okay.
So, no blood.
Alright, got it. It is 324 yards. The pin is there behind that tree. Better angle na lang.
Saan lumalabas yan? Vlog mo saan?
YouTube.
Wow. Balik. Wag.
They're punching out. What a drive! I'm very happy with my drive. Almost landed on the green. Pero sana I don't waste this. Kasi currently, medyo masama ang short game ko. Kasi hindi ko makuha pag sobrang tigas ng fairway. So most likely, I'm either going to Texas wedge this or use that pitching wedge to bump and run. Yun, sayang oh. Hindi pa ako pumatong sa green. Almost on the green with my drive. That was tinanat ko ilang yards yung drive na yan. Almost 270 lang naman pala. Okay, left to right. Okay, for my second shot, 18 yards to the flag, left to right. Isang flag sa kaliwa. Mabagal. Okay. I'm using a bagal na paakyat, 6 paces left to right. Parang putting ball. Halos dun sa may nakaangat na itim na yun. Okay. Plus 1? Plus 2?
Plus 1.
Sayang. At least nakikinig na. Sama ng short game ko eh. Hindi ko madikit.
Yo!
Nice putt, Dave. Pating ano ka, Attorney Jun? Ikaw? 7. Nice spot. Malamig naman ang putt. So sa amin. So 1 up. Then now we are playing hole number 12, par 3, 140 yards. Ganda. Pero babarilin namin kung ano kasi it's uphill and slightly looks like it's against the wind. Turn pa, turn pa, turn pa. Hinangin na turn eh. Ganda. Ay, nagbi-bleed lang talaga sa direct. Lumakas yung hangin. No? Dave with 70 yards. Go. Ganda yan. Angat! Ay! Good idea. Sayang. Oo nga eh. Ganda. Okay. Tiny June. Naku, natutok. Ganda pa! Napaganda! Okay, landed short. Grabe, lakas ng hangin nung titira na ako. 20 yards to the flag. I can nip this with a 60 degree. Ano to, kaliwa kanan? Maliit lang ano? Okay. Right. Ang lakas naman. Nagpa-top spin. Tigas talaga ng green. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 paces for my par. Layo. Mabilis. Malaki sa kaliwa. Nagustuhan ko yung shimmy mo dun, attorney ah. 11 paces. Nag-shimmy eh. Parang si ano eh. Parang si Malik Beasley. Kailangan yun sa 3. Yung sa Detroit, pag naka-tres. Okay. 11 paces minus 2 downhill. I'm aiming for the white circle sa left. Okay, for par.
Ay, di dumaan doon. Pugi.
Bali, ganda. Nice spot. So,
Hindi niya mo sinundan ko yung tinuro mo. May tinuro ka diba?
nice spot.
Eh, sinundan ko. Hindi yung
You no? Nice spot, brother. Nice spot. Okay. Uy, gold ka! Hole number 13. Correction, we are all square. We are all square. Okay. Ayan, so hole number 13. Dogleg ride. It is ganda ng butas. Oo nga. Tayo aim natin yung mga puno na yan. Ano? Yung,
Yes sir, yes may
ito
bahay.
yung malaking ganon.
Yes po.
Naku, kabig! Obi!
Nice show.
Doon ba ako naka-aim? bilis. Ang bilis. Mabilis pa rin, no? Ganda, Dave. Good pace. 9 paces for double bogey na pala to. Right to left. Paakyat na. Mabagal na to, no? Okay. Okay. Nice spot. Ang daming body language ni attorney Jun. Ang cute eh. Galing eh. At to win the hole pala sa amin to. 7 rin ako eh. Ay, sayang. All square, all square. All square pa rin. Sayang. Good try, brother. Okay lang, okay lang. Okay. All square, half hole. Ganda ng butas. This is hole number 14. It's a par 5, 485 yards. It looks like it's dog leg right. Okay, I assume aim for that tree. Thank you. Ako, itawid mo. Yun. Ganda. Perfect cut. Dave, 250. This is the view of my second shot. 210 yards. What's new? I will go for it. Hitting a 5 iron.
Nakutak. Okay lang.
Landed, buti lang safe. Landed right off the green. 27 yards to the flag. A little right to left downhill. Subok ulit mag-nip. Finally! Baka makachamba na tayo, Chris. Yay! Mabawasan na yung score natin. Sana. 4 paces. Parang may get 1 cup. For birdie. Na yun. Sa kaliwa pa nun?
Kaliwa lang, dito lang.
Halos kaliwa ng light brown, diba? Oh, yan ya. Yan din tinitingnan ko. -1.
Yes po.
Okay. For birdie. Nagduda ka rin pala. Ay, sayang. 1 up? 1 up kami, 1 up kami. Good par, partner. We are currently 1 up. Keep it going. Yes, sir. Okay, hole number 15, par 4. 404 yards to the flag. Look like dog leg left. Naku. Ano ang play dito? Kasi malayo naman yung puno na yan. May 300 pa yan. Okay.
Nice shot.
Ganda ng pagkakadrive namin. Sumobra, umabot sa tubig. That was a 300 yards pala yun. Wow, 305 yards na 3 wood because gumulong naman talaga. Saka down. Umabot? 300 yards umabot. Oo, gumulong. Okay, so yun yung mga tirang masaya ka na bad trip. Okay, so left with 90 yards, hitting a full 60-degree wedge. 60 na lang, please. To go up and down for a par. Go. Okay, turnage. Uy, nakulang sa body language. Pwedeng firm na. Mahina! Okay. Gitnang-gitna na. Dahil double brake. No?
Push po.
Science. Technology. Napus, no?
Opo.
Good, but okay. Tabla as in all square na tayo or tabla 1 sa butas? Okay.
1 up pa kayo.
Okay, 1 up pa kami. Okay, last 3 holes. Hole 16 or 3. Playing 186 yards to the flag against the wind. Uphill. 186. Might hit a 5 iron. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Ay, gusto pala sa bunker. Okay, bunker nga. Sabi ko, wag mo i-bunker. Bunker mo! Saktang-sakta. Go! Go! Bunker! Bunker mo! Yun! I am very happy with that shot. Sumobra lang, pero sobrang crispy. So, I went over the green. It's, tama ba, 19 paces? Left to right to, Chris?
Yes po.
Mabilis? Sa bagay, wala namang mabagal. Medyo mabilis lang. Pitching na lang, bump and run na lang natin. Okay, for birdie. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo?
Ano lang po.
Labas lang ng linya ng puti.
Sobra yun. Loob lang.
Loob lang nun. Okay. Come on. Partner for birdie. Parang mahina.
Sus.
Hati-hati sa kaliwa. Oh, hina. Right inside na? Layo ng hula ko. Right inside. Against the grass. Ay, hindi, with the grass. Ano pala pag ganun? Right to left. Okay na yung right inside na dyan. Hindi kailangan ihati-hati yan. Uphill ba? Okay. So, inside na lang na firm. Laki tinanay ng damo. Kita ko na yung damo. Nice one. Okay. So partner, we are two up. Both partners spotting for birdie, both bogey. At least panalo yung butas. Okay, we are currently 2 up. Dorming na sila. Okay, hole number 17. Panalo na kami. Dorming na sila. Tabla talo na lang. 384 yards. Ano ko yun? If I remember correctly, hindi pwede driver dito. Dog leg left.
Yan ang target?
Opo, yung matulis na ano.
Ipakaliwa yung hangin ah.
Naku, kumana. Nag-bleed right. Balik mo. Get lucky. Parang safe naman. Pero dumikit sa pader. Nice shot, partner.
Nice shot.
Okay. Last hits. Ganda ng ano? Yan ang butas na to. 176 nga to eh. To the flag. So I'm hitting A. Tapos it's against the wind. Hitting A. Hopefully kaya na to ng 6 iron. Speed lang sa dulo. Pero happy ako dun. Tama na!
Ano sa
Patong.
low battery?
I have this birdie chance. Come on. It looks like it's left to right. Tapos dito right to left. Double break. Parang double break tingin ko, Chris. Pero may dagdag. Di ko lang alam kung kaliwa o kanan. Kanan pa rin. Pero tama ba? Double break? Kalahating grip? Sobra. Sige, ako rin. Litong-lito na ako kung saan eh. Yung bugbog ng green kasi, anong cup? Left to right eh. Pasok! That's good. Good pa, attorney.
Shoot, diba ko?
Tama na. Bito-bito naman kung walang paano. Yay! Panalo kami ni partner. We won. 3 up. 3 and 2. Okay, panalo.
Par?
Par.
Nice par.
Good round, brother.
Over na.
Good match, good match. Good match, partner.
Nice, nice.
Good match. Ay. Yay! Panalo kami. First time namin mag-company with Dave. We won 500 pesos. Let's go. 500 each. 500 each. Basic lang kaya na yan kay Dave. Okay, last hole. Okay, hole number 18. Last hole, par 5. 537 yards. Dog leg right. I don't see the pin. Bahala na. Good cut. Huwag ka lang mag-go to the bumper. Shoot mo na. Ay. Ba't di naman effective sa amin? Sa amin hindi eh. Dumiretso eh. Oh. Hindi nakinig eh. So pwedeng aim lang natin to yung, di ba 4 na akasya yung gitna? Ay 5. Yung sa gitna na yan. Okay. Nice shot. Sayang ang bola. Donated another golf ball. Malayo pa to, no? 300 pa? Okay. Aim for that bunker. Sa kaliwa kasi kakanan talaga. Naka-bunker. Hindi ako umabot sa bunker pero crosswind. So aim for the pin na. Tapos 40 yards to the flag. No one took my video, but yan, dumikit. Hopefully that's a gimme. Uy!
Quality.
Okay naman. Malinaw. Okay. Yun, shoot. Okay. Good round! Good round, brother. Good round, good round. Good match. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Attorney, nice meeting you. Ay, nice meeting you. Thank you, thank you.
Bayad kami doon.
Ani,
500.
maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Nice shot.